Gorgeous morning. Good morning, everybody. We're out here at Black Rock Beach. It's North Florida. It's also called Boneyard Beach. Absolutely gorgeous driftwood like everywhere, and we have these black rocks. What was it, Stacy? I'm here. This is my friend Stacy. He's here shooting with me this morning, and he was saying that it's like the only other place these are found is like somewhere in Africa. Yeah. This like specific black rock, pretty crazy. But anyways, you can see we got kind of socked in this morning with tons of cloud, but we have a little color kind of popping off in the corner here. But we're basically just getting a wide scene here of this gorgeous driftwood beach with this black rock in the foreground, texture and kind of reflections in the tide, not the tide pools, but the where the tide was. I guess they are tide pools. So yeah, the sun's just now coming up. Let's get locked in and see what we come away with. Ooh, I'm way too hot now. Blown out. So that's what that's called. I mean, see what I got? So anywhere it's blown out, I've got these little bars. They're called zebra lines.
Oh, and it'll show you?
Yep, and they shows you where. It's like warning you, like, hey, it's coming soon.
I've seen that setting, zebra lines, on my
yeah, so
camera.
it's great to have because it can just warn you about, you know, when you need to drop down a little. And you know about the histogram down here?
Yeah, I have one, but
beautiful,
I
yeah.
don't know how
That's the shadows. Watch, dark. See, light.
Gotcha.
It's just like dynamic range and audio.
Right.
So that's what you got to work with.
Right.
So that's why we exposure blend. If it's super contrasty, like bright sun, you'll have to take like a bright shot, take that shot, and then get the sky, you know what I mean? And then combine them later.
Gotcha.
So that's the idea. These clouds look gorgeous right now. I might take this. Very cool. Yeah, that's a cool shot. What's that? Yeah, you're blowing out. So what you want to do here is, you know where to change the shutter speed again? Yeah, so you're at 30 seconds, so, oh shit, gotta get you a good tripod. About a second now.
See.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
work on this composition. See, this stuff's just kind of jutting in. It's distracting. Everybody's gonna be looking over there. So you kind of want to keep them in the, yeah, see? All this stuff like pushes to in the middle.
I see.
You got these wicked trees,
Gotcha.
and then the ocean. So that'll kind of keep everybody's eye like in the center of the frame. You don't want them to like wander off. That's where your eye goes naturally, is the brightest part of the image.
I see. Oh, so I can do that real time, and I kind of get an
Yeah,
idea
anytime.
of what
Yeah,
it looks
yeah,
like.
exactly. It's a live view.
I see.
All right, this is beautiful.
So can I keep this setting but have it do the 30 seconds again, or will it just be blown out again?
It'll be blown out. The way that you would do that is with an ND filter. So
I see.
I'll show you.
Right.
Sunglasses. See? Now you can get your shutter speed back long to get the right exposure.
I see. I see.
Yeah. And then this one's a polarizer, just like polarizing sunglasses.
Yeah.
Same thing, you twist it and it'll
and
kill the reflections, bring the reflections back.
And that's the one you use when you're going directly into the sun?
No, this one's more like when you want to get rid of glare,
Gotcha.
you want to see reflections through them or have the reflection, you can adjust that.
Okay.
And just like polarizing glasses, it'll make
yeah.
everything contrastier,
Right.
a little bit of saturation. You're like, whoa, cool, when you put the glass on. Yeah, it does all that stuff. I might throw a filter on and just do one of those long exposures. Let's see here. The old, put the 6-stop filter on. Oh, is that right? That is right. 77 mil. We're taking a 15-second exposure. We put the 6-stop filter on and see what we can get. So we wrapped up that shot there. I think it was pretty cool. We had these gray, moody clouds. We didn't get the color, almost had some, but it was still real cool with the mood and the rocks and these trees. But I think we're gonna ease down this beach, mess with this driftwood. There's endless compositions down here. Let's jump into it, see what we can get. All right, guys, let's do it. Sucks. Getting B-roll. Wow, those are beautiful too. So I got this really cool shot. I walked by, saw these trees, the clouds behind it, and I was like, gotta stop and grab this. Really cool moody shot with all these trees kind of creeping in. Very beautiful, like moody clouds. We're at f9, 3.2 seconds, ISO 100, and it looks really cool. So if this shot's any good, let me know how it looks, guys. 1, 2. And there she is. Very cool. Kind of artsy, abstract. Love it. Love these trees. What a cool oak tree. Just windswept and beaten by the shoreline for years and years. Awesome. All right, let's move on. So I bought a pack of these bubble levels. Stacy is the first person to get one. We all lose the top of our little hot shoe thing and makes your camera not waterproof anymore, so there you go.
Thanks, man.
Little rubber bubble levels are awesome. Cheap as crap. So if you ever see me out, ask for a bubble level.
Thank you, Paul.
You're welcome, brother. Oh, wow, that's you. Real nice right there. Beautiful.
Yeah, I just took a 3-minute video of this.
Oh, sick.
And I walked and kind of came back.
That's awesome. I might get this right here. Like we have these 3 little driftwood pieces and the rock. That might be a good shot. All right, let's see here. I'm loving these little 1, 2, 3, and then the rock right here. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good maybe. I wanna get real close, but oh yeah, that's nice. I need to get like right here. Wait for a good wave. 1, 2. All right, that's pretty good. Oh, that's beautiful right there. I mean, I always have a problem deciding between the water movement or like the beautiful reflection-y, texture-y rock and sand. I can never decide in editing. All right guys, so that was awesome. I think this shot came out pretty cool with the water cascading over the black rock. And then we have these really unique 3 pieces of driftwood just like sitting in the frame. I love the power 3s, you know that, composition wise. So yeah, that was really cool. We didn't end up doing the long exposure fine art thing, but I might still. There's a few good trees that I'm seeing right now. So yeah, let's see if we can jump in and get any of that. All right guys, so we pulled out the telephoto lens. We got the Tamron 70-300 on. The light just snuck through these clouds, absolutely gorgeous. And I was just able to isolate them. So cool with this telephoto. 6-stop filter, breakthrough photography, able to get the shutter down to 2.5 seconds, the best I could do. ISO 100, f16, because I'm trying to get that shutter speed down. And it's looking just beautiful. If the shot's any good, let me know how it looks, guys. Oh, I wasn't recording any of that. Guys, I wasn't recording any of that. I'm so sorry. We're f22, that's insane. Anyway, guys, you see these rays, we had to run. I just did a whole clip and wasn't recording, but this is absolutely gorgeous. The rays are shooting down now. They busted through the clouds. I've isolated some of these driftwood and got some reflections from the water receding after the waves come in. It's just absolutely beautiful scene, guys. Look at these rays. The only thing really technical that I'm doing is exposure blending to get the hot spot for the sun. So jumping my shutter speed way up, getting that just so that I can blend in that detail spot later. For about half a second, f16, ISO 100. Beautiful. There we go. This is gorgeous.